What's good, people? YouTube. What it is? Let me boot up TradingView real quick. So, took an L this week. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, not this week. For like the past. I haven't been taking L's. Yeah, I took 2 trades today that I lost. I took one yesterday on gold and BTC today. Both losses across both accounts, so it's like negative 266. Post those up right here real quick. Okay, and I'm explaining why or how I lost. So yeah, so BTC, right, 4 hour, you know, we use 4 hour pushed up, right, gave us an indication, boom. I was waiting for the correction. I was waiting for it to meet the level of sellers. So yeah, so I saw this and then it just started pumping, right? Cool beans. Like, all right, no sweat, you know what I'm saying? And then price came to that indication level, right? I'm like, okay, cool. Price now is ready to buy, right? Let me move this so it's like I'm looking at you guys. Yeah. So as you can see here, give us a low high, give us a high low, didn't want to push down. So I'm like, oh, okay, that's signs of bearish. And it indicates it. That's definitely signs of bearish. Then it corrected. Oh, I entered off of this. So my entry looked like this. Because 1, I indicated above here. 2, I was above that seller's level. We made that fall indication. Your buyers are in control. Boom. Cool beans. Set my stop loss there. Got rammed. Ran through. But it's fine. Okay, maybe it was a little bit too hasty. So it's fine. I'm not too sad about it because look now. Price is making that second indication because the 4 hour wants to make a high and low. So I guess the high low wasn't really formed yet, which is fine. So now my thinking of is, okay, if I ever see this high low indication correction, I need that second time to push up. If it doesn't push up the second time, then I don't take it. So like for now example, I want price to do this. I actually need to where is that tool? Where's that tool? Oh, okay, there we go. So my new price to do this can go however far it wants to go, then correct, whether it gives us equal lows or it stops somewhere here, and then the second time around I'll take it, right? Let's make this a bit darker because you can't see. Get a different color because it's, I'm just make purple, it's fine. See, that's what I needed it to do here the first time, but it's fine. Getting more data, so I needed to give me more structural signs that it wants to become bullish now. So we can have that indication, that correction, then gives us that high and low. Once that high low is formed and it pushes above, then we can take price back up. You understand? So that was my mistake. That was my loss, which is fine. I'm not too ashamed about it, but my body is telling me that I want to take it, like once it corrects and pushes back above, but I'm like, you know what? That's the old way of doing it. I'm gonna take price here. Once I see it's been building up, it's becoming bullish now. Then what is it gonna do? That 1 hour is gonna build us at a high, lows, high, lies, higher on the 1 hour. Then what is it gonna do? It's just gonna continue that here because bulls are in control here to here. So I'm rather gonna sit back and wait. Let price do its thing. I set my alert here, so I know that okay, price is ready to buy. I'm gonna look at the previous structures it built up. Cool, it's bullish. Let's take it. You know, fine, cool beans. Okay. Now gold. For some reason, right? Some odd reason. On my MT5, why I took buys is because on my MT5, this was actually above this level. So I saw, especially these 2 candles, was already here somewhere. So I bought it. I was like, okay, I've got a high low here. I've got a high low. I've got a low here. It gets higher low actually. High low here on the 4 hour. Why the hell would I not take it? 1 hour, same sentiment, pushed down, gives a high low, pushed up, high low, pushed up, and I'm like, I'm gonna take this. Took it yesterday, put my stop loss somewhere here, but I got stopped out. It's like, okay, because Sai even entered this and I was confused. I was like, how come his price action looks different? Because the one I saw, I was using the MT5 to analyze, but it's okay though. So I was like, okay, that's kind of weird, I'm not gonna lie. So now price is ranging, it is in a no trade zone. So we're just gonna mark our levels and then keep price, keep these things in mind. So sellers, and then we got buyers here. So we don't do anything, right? Oh, what? Bro, this is actually happening live, bro. Nah, I'm not gonna fall for it. I'm gonna wait for price to give me a high and low first, and then push back above here. Then I'll take it. But as for now, I'm not taking it. I'm not taking it. Cause I'm like, it's hitting now. I thought maybe it was like an alert from earlier, but yeah, I guess it does want to buy. Cause I mean, even the 4 hour. I mean, if the 4 hour closes like this, fine, fair enough. But we have like 2 hours to go, so I'm just gonna be sitting on my hands and just waiting for it to do what it needs to do. And then this one I'm currently in. I don't know how much I'm floating now. Luckily my stop loss is here because I knew the price wanted to correct, so I wasn't like too scared. Like, okay, I'm just gonna, if it hits TP, I mean if it's stop loss, it's stop loss, but it's fine. Right? Stop loss is like somewhere down here. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, because on the daily, it needed that correction because it's just been buying. So yeah, so it's cool. I'm not too phased. I do think price is still gonna hit up. I really strongly believe. So right now we're just in a correction, which is fine. We're not too phased. These guys are switching. So yeah, I'll post that one up also. So I'm in this trade right now, floating however much. I don't know how much it is. But yeah, so my system does not allow me to take it at any point. I can't even remove these because it's just getting clustered, bro. Why did I mark? Oh, is that the daily? Oh, that's the daily one. Okay, it's fine though. So we did indicate above the daily, push down, move back up, indicate above these, had to correct. So now price is buying. Well, I don't know, we'll see, man. We'll see. My alert is set for here to see our price ends up going back above. The structure has to build, and then we target these highs and then target all-time highs. It's not too far. This pair has been very nice to trade. I like trading this because it's not too volatile. It's not like, I don't know, because I left German. I don't trade German anymore. As much as I liked it and loved it, but for me it's just like, I don't want to be trading two pairs if I know the one. You know, I can just focus on one. Ideally, I want to just focus on two, which is UK and gold. But BTC is like an extra one just to get price action, like just to see how. Because I like how it moves. Like it moves proper. I'm not gonna lie. But I guess I wanted different asset classes rather than, because UK and German are both indices, but they move the same. So I don't. But not really, because if you look here, this is where I entered the first time before my account got blown for some reason, which I still would have been in this trade, bro. Anyway, so UK just corrected heavily. Bro, German just fucking crashed all the way down here. So I would have been, I got stopped out on that one. Either way, but this one held up because my stop loss was below here. So I would have been in Jota only for it to pump back up. So I would have been fine with this one. And this one really respects price action. Like it really does. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah. So, and when I move back to live, like I can only trade UK and gold. BTC is just gonna be an afterthought. So I might leave BTC for the props, and then the live accounts I'll do these two. But that's like for future down the line. Not for now. But yeah, bro, that's it. Like I ain't got nothing much. I'm not too phased that I lost these trades. Like I was too hasty, so I'm not like, oh fuck, like I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, part of me was, but it's like, nah, bro. Like I follow the system. That's a green day. I, well, yeah. I mean, I traded above, but I guess now I need to wait for more structural builds rather than just taking it off of first, off rip. Um, because you see, like it just wanted to continue. So I gotta wait for it. I can't just wait for the high and low, and then um, wait for that indication and not wait for the high and low for the price to push back up the second time, especially when it's around these areas, because it was around here. So I'd rather wait for it to get into that zone and then do what it needs to do, like what it's doing now. Push up, then I want it to correct back down. Then once it gives me a high low, then I take it above, stop loss below these ones or whatever, whichever one, and then yeah, then just take price back up, man. Like it's never gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be good though. So I'm not too phased because I'm following the system, because I'm waiting for it to get above here. Even if it corrects, pushes up, high lows up, is above this level, I'm still gonna take it because it's above where buyers are in control. So we could target these sellers here because price seems like it wants to reverse now, because it could have, after this correction, it could have pushed down, but it didn't. So it's like, nah, it's done selling off, it's time to buy now. So yeah, bro, that's really much. That's the recap. Still in trade, lost this one, down $260 roughly, but I'm not too phased. My psychology is getting better, not gonna lie. So even if I'm losing, it's like, because I was reading, and I just finished it, The Best Loser Wins. It's like, trading is like a game of 50-50. Like, the more you play, chances are that the odds are gonna even out for you. You're gonna have 50 wins, 50 losses, depending on how disciplined. But I mean, you could win more. I mean, the less trades I take, the more I could win, even though I'm not entering the market all the time. But it is a 50-50 thing all the time, either way. So I just gotta get used to the system, because I never had a system before. Now I do. Oh, I know and understand it. So it's like, okay, today I just learned something. I need to wait for that second push up or that high low, not really rush into the first indication, because chances are I could get wrecked. Could just continue pumping down, but it's fine. But I used to take it by ear, because it sometimes it does work, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like UK did that. Like let's check it out. UK did that. I entered this trade when? Jesus, bro. Last week Thursday. I've been in this trade for 3 days now. See, and this was off rip. So I guess it depends, because it was in an indication place. So I guess it does work. Yeah, it does work. I'm not gonna lie, it does work. Because if you look at the 4-hour, price really pushed down, and I didn't expect it to push down even more. So it's just sometimes it's gonna win. Like you're not gonna always win them. So I guess this is one of those things. Like this one didn't win, even though it gave me that. I could have traded that, or waited for the indication. I would have waited for the indication and put more positions, but it's fine though. So yeah, just play by ear, bro. It's like a 50-50 thing. So I'm not bad at trading, just market said what I wanted to do. Just wasn't ready yet, but it's fine. We'll catch it, and as long as the risk is there, risk management is there, then I'm solid, bro. I don't need to worry about nothing. My phase by the loss. This one, like I said, it just looked mad different on MT5, so that's why I took the buy. But yeah, this one I'll wait also for it to get here, then could take the buys back up. because daily is telling us it does not want to move down. It could have the moment price came below this level, but it didn't want to push down. So I don't think price wants to sell off on gold yet. People still want to buy gold, but we'll see. We'll see, depending on how it breaks out of this no trades under there. Goes back up, that's where we'll get our, entry. If it goes down, then we'll just take it back down. So BTC, want to keep a close eye on. And then UK, I'm still in. I stopped out, or not, I don't know. We'll see, because even this one, I wanted to take it, but I was waiting for it to go back above. I didn't enter this one. So here I did kind of well. Like now, I'm going to wait for it to go back above. Because I saw it chilling here. Yeah, it's pushing down. If I saw it pushing up, and the candle's about to close, bro, it would have been solid, but it didn't do that. So, oopsie. So yeah, that's it for me. It's Tuesday. It feels like a Monday because it was probably holiday yesterday, but it is what it is. And you'll see the update as to how the trades go this week. So yeah, peace.